Well, I guess Abhishek, your team missed you on the pitch this evening. Unfortunately, you could not make it, and that's the reason why I think they lost 1-0. If you could say that.
I'm not sure. I'll take the credit for that. Yeah, sure. I'll take the. I wouldn't say. Yeah, I was a central defender, so I would have stopped Bhaichung fouling Caesar before scoring that goal. But well, yeah, just recovering from an injury, so I will be back for the next time.
Thank you, Abhishek Bachchan. Well, one of the ways to grow the sport in the country is by providing a platform, and the best way is to see what they're going to give us. So what is your opinion, Bachchan, on this in terms of tournaments held like Nike Premier Cup? How does it help to boost football in the country?
See, I think it's very, very important to have tournaments for underage, especially under 16, under 14, under 18s. When I played India under 16, I played for under 16 for a year, and the only match I got was 4 matches throughout the year. That's it. And you know, I had no club tournament, I had no international tournament playing for India as well. So at least the kids now can't complain what we've been complaining, that we don't get match, we don't get enough tournaments to play. So at least now with Nike tournaments, under 16, I-League, I think it's enough. There are plenty of matches to be played, and I think Nike, the concept of having the best 16 team from the I-League under 16 is something which the teams look for it, because they want to finish top 16 so that they want to play for Nike Premier Cup. So I think it also motivates the team and the players to go on to be playing against the top 16.
So, Bachchan, if I had to ask you, what is your vision for the sport in the country?
See, I think for us is we've got to target long term, and long term means we've got to really invest a lot of time and energy in grassroots. And for us, obviously, all format of the tournament, league for grassroots, ISL, I-Leagues are important. So all the tournaments what we have right now, ISL, I-League, second division, we want all the tournament to succeed. And at the same time, I think for us, federation, we need to start working strongly in grassroots with the I-League clubs, and most important with the state associations. So we're pushing hard. Last 2 years we had just 10 teams playing in under 16 I-League. This year we've got 54. We've started under 14, under 12 I-League as well. So the focus is more on grassroots. With under 17, as Abhishek said, this year is going to be big for us because we've got under 17 World Cup in October. And for the last 2 years, 3 years, I think we've provided everything that's possible from Federation and Sports Ministry, the kind of support we had to give for the under 17 team. So the boys actually won't be able to complain anything in terms of getting the support. So it's a difficult tournament. It's going to be tough because under 14 standard it's going to be very challenging for the team when it comes in October. But overall, I think for us from Federation and Sports Ministry and Sports Authority of India, we've given every possible support we had to give, and I hope the boys will play well.
Yes, well, I think it's really well said by Bachchan. The sports has done a lot. The next question, thank you, Bachchan. The next question for you, Abhishek. Well, Abhishek, you have truly been an inspiration to all the athletes in the country. From an actor to a sports entrepreneur, you've done it all, be it football, be it kabaddi, basketball. So what drives Abhishek Bachchan to sports?
I've been a sportsman all my life, from school to college, and I enjoy playing it. And it's just something that I've always wanted to do, to see the sports landscape in India change. And we still in India, unfortunately, still feel that sports is not a viable career option. I think Bhaichung is a great example to show that it absolutely is. So, it's just been the quest to try and make a change, try and do whatever you want. But at the heart of any business, there has to be heart. There has to be passion. And it's my passion for sports like kabaddi, football, and basketball. And obviously, we're India, so we all love our cricket. So it's about being a sportsman, it's about sportsmanship, it's about sportsman spirit, and doing whatever you can to help.
So I think that's what drives you. So how often do you play, Abhishek? I mean, do you make it a point to play every week as per your busy schedule?
Well, we at the All Stars FC practice every Sunday, so we play every week of the year, yeah, once a week a year.
So I think all the young guys can take some inspiration from you and keep going on the pitch like you and Bachchan.
Absolutely. I think Bhaichung is a better inspiration than I am. He's the best we've ever produced, and he's the absolute amazing gold standard for football as far as I'm concerned.
No, I think I would also first of all like to thank Abhishek, because the amount of contribution is done to football, and it's just not about contribution, it's from the heart. I think he's passionate about the sport. He's really come forward, promoted it. Obviously, he's promoted other sport as well. But with football, I think he's very passionate about his team and also about the game. So it's just not about coming and just doing a photo op. I think Abhishek is one example that he's done so much. So first of all, I'd like to thank Abhishek for really contributing because it's important. We need big names in Bollywood to come and promote the sport. Because ultimately, in India, it's cricket and Bollywood that really sells. And if somebody like Abhishek can come forward to really support, which he's been doing, and the amount of contribution he's done to the game, I think has been tremendous. So, thank you so much.
One last question for the both of you all. Unfortunately, Abhishek, you could not make it on the ground. But how was it, Baichung, to play against the All-Stars?
I think the All-Stars team looked very, very fit. Abhishek has been coaching them. I think tactically they were quite strong. And second half, I could see them completely going, getting the shape right and making it very difficult for us to go penetrate through. So Abhishek might not have played, but I know that amount of coaching and tactical thing he does off the field, we could see that. So it was it.
So I've learned from the best. Not many people know, but the first ever manager of All Stars FC was Baichung. When we played the Indian cricket team almost 4 years ago, he was our first coach. So I've learned from the best.
So let's guys give it up for Abhishek Bachchan and Baichung Bhutia. I'd like to have a quick word with our two captains this evening. Please could you come in front? Well, we have Jackson from Minerva and we've got Alex from Ozone FC. Well guys, Jackson from Minerva, you all are the winners for the last year. You're competing now to run for the title again in the finals. So how does it feel?
I feel good and
All right, very quick question. I'm getting a lot of pressure from behind. How does it feel for you? I mean, in terms of the pressure being handled, Ozone FC has shown an unbeaten run all throughout the tournament. So do you think you all can compete with Minerva FC and take away the cup this year?
Yeah, we'll take good this match. We worked hard. Last year we are lost in group stage only with Minerva. This year we reached the final. I hope this year we will bring a good result for our club.
All right, guys, best of luck for the finals coming up. Can we have a quick photo, guys? Abhishek and Baichung, can we please have you in the center? Well, thank you, media. The media can move to the media team on the ground. Thank you, Abhishek Bachchan. Thank you, Baichung Bhutia. And best of luck to the both captains of Minerva and Ozone FC. Thank you.
यही बोला कि कमल ये साइड में आ रहा है ओके
Thank you so much.
मैडम हो गया चलिए अभिषेक सबसे पहले कांग्रेचुलेशन आपको कि इतनी बड़ी एक जो जिम्मेदारी है कि सेलिब्रिटी जैसे कि भाईचूंग ने बताया कि बॉलीवुड और क्रिकेट के नाम पर पूरा इंडिया एक हो जाएगा तो ये जो एक जिम्मेदारी उठाई है कि पहले कबड्डी फिर बास्केटबॉल और अब फुटबॉल के साथ तो ये जो बहुत कम ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो फॉर फ्रंट पर आकर के इस तरह से देश के लिए चीज़ों को प्रमोट करते हैं तो ये कितनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी मानते हैं और कितनी जिम्मेदारी से आप इसको आगे
जी मैं ऐसे जिम्मेदारी नहीं मानता हूँ ये फुटबॉल मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है और सिर्फ आईएसएल में ही नहीं जो मेरे पास चेन्नई का टीम है चेन्नई एनएफसी लेकिन मेरा मानना है कि जो खेल है वो हमारे देश में ज़रा उसको बढ़ावा मिले तो मैं खुश होऊंगा It'll be great. The Under-17 World Cup is a huge platform for our Indian boys to show their talent. I wish them all the best. It's a huge honor for India to host the Under-17 World Cup, which according to me, I've seen a few in the past, is very competitive. It's a brilliant platform. They've got a world stage to show their talent and I really do hope that we can bring out international talent from India that will go abroad and play in the best and biggest leagues.
अभिषेक जैसा कि देखा गया है कि पास्ट फ्यू इयर्स में फुटबॉल बहुत ही स्ट्रगल कर रहा था लेकिन जिस तरह से बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी सामने आते हैं उसे प्रमोट करते हैं उसे और अहमियत मिल गई है इंडिया में तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके लिए
आपने कह दिया, मैं क्या कहूँ उसके बारे में।
कितना बड़ा इनिशिएटिव है वो?
जी, इनिशिएटिव नहीं, ये शुरुआत इससे हुई थी कुछ 4 साल पहले। बंटी वालिया जो हैं मेरे दोस्त और मेरे मैनेजर भी हैं, मैं और रणबीर एक साथ बैठे थे और हम लोग को लगा कि चलो यार वीकेंड को फुटबॉल खेलते हैं। सब लोग को फुटबॉल बहुत ही पसंद है, फुटबॉल को फॉलो करते हैं, तो हम ऐसे ही जस्ट टू हैव फन संडेज़ को खेलते थे। फिर मुझे लगा कि क्यों ना इससे कुछ काम किया जाए, तो तब मैंने बंटी से बात की और उनसे कहा कि देखिए मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग एक टीम बनाते हैं, उस टीम के दौरान टीम के साथ अगर जाके हम लोग चैरिटी मैचेस खेल सकते हैं, अच्छे कॉजेज़ के लिए पैसे इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं, तो ये अच्छी बात रहेगी। हमारे जितने भी कलाकार भाई हैं जो हमारे साथ खेलते थे, सब राज़ी हो गए, एंड नाउ वी गो प्ले चैरिटी मैचेस फॉर व्हाटएवर चैरिटी।
सर अब सवाल है मेरा, जो बच्चे स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं और आपको इस वक्त टीवी पर देख रहे हैं और उनके दिल में दिली ख्वाहिश है कि मुझे भी देश के लिए खेलना है, फुटबॉल आगे आना है, उनसे आप क्या कहेंगे? कितनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी?
यही कहूँगा कि प्रैक्टिस करते रहें, खेलते रहें और यही आप ये ठान लीजिए कि भैया एक दिन जाके मुझे इंडिया के लिए खेलना है और प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए। आजकल आईएसएल के ग्रास रूट लेवल प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो हर कोने कोने में पहुंच चुके हैं और बहुत ही जल्द अगर आप में वो क्षमता है तो आप सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे। सो कीप अप द फेथ।
अभिषेक कुछ
I don't want to get into the reasons. All I want to say is that the India standing in the world league, in the world standings, has gone up. It's a start. I think tournaments like the ISL have really helped bring a lot of international talent into India to help the Indian players grow and improve. And I think our standard is just going to keep rising. So another 10 years, don't be shocked if India is playing in the World Cup.
अभिषेक पिछले कुछ मैचों से आप फील्ड पे नहीं उतर रहे हैं, आपको देखा नहीं जा रहा खेलते हुए, इंजरी है आप बताते हैं, लेकिन कब अभिषेक को फील्ड पे?
Next match. Next match.
Okay, guys,
All right.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.